JDRInfotainment. I hope all are doing good by the grace of God. Thanks again for your support for my all the videos. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to get learner's license and also how to apply for the driving license. Okay, before that, I am going to do a recap of what are all the steps involved so far. Okay, and also one more thing, like I have been getting requests to do this videos in Tamil and the other languages, so I'm planning to do in Tamil as well as in Hindi. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, let's do a recap now. Okay, while buying a new car, request the showroom to do temporary registration. That is very important. That's the first step. Okay, so then parallelly, what you can do once you get the car right, you can also find the authorized vendor to do the modification. In Chennai, it is none other than Srivari Shankar Engineering Works, which is in Perambur, which is near Perambur. In other states, maybe you can Google and see who are all the authorized vendor. Okay, have these documents handy while visiting the RTO office. One is the address proof, ID proof, car insurance, Form 20 with class of vehicle as invalid carriage, then a disability ID card, disability certificate, 2 copies of chassis number and covering letter requesting the RTO to register your car as invalid carriage. Okay, what is invalid carriage? Invalid carriage is nothing but the car, whichever car you are going to drive, right, that number will be affixed in your RC book. Okay, so that means you are authorized to drive only that car. Okay, so at the RTO office, what they will do is like they will assign an inspector. That inspector will inspect your car and he will see like they have they have a specification. They will just see whether that car is modified based on that specification. If everything is done, they will approve. After this approval, and we have to pay a nominal fee of 120 rupees, and then your car will be registered. My humble request, as I mentioned in my previous video, don't ever approach a driving school because they will charge a lot of money. This cost only 120 rupees. Okay, now you are eligible for 100% road tax exception. Then how to get the learner's license? Learner's license is the same process what others used to do. Apply online and get the appointment, pay the fees. And but one thing is, while visiting the RTO, you have to take these documents. One is the RC book, original RC book, disability ID card, certificate, and the driving ability certificate. Then they will take photo. Within the same day, right? You can download the LLR. Now it's the driving license which is very important. Okay, so wait for a month. Again, you apply online, get all the printouts, visit the RTO office. There, the inspector will be assigned to inspect you while driving. Do the driving whatever as per the instructions. Then they'll take a photo. Nowadays, right, like immediately they'll be giving the driving license. It's not like the earlier days where getting a driving license for a disabled person is tough. Now it's very easy because we have all the rules. If you have proper documents and follow the proper process, you will be getting the license. Guys, I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll be ready to answer your questions. Okay, so until then, like this is JDR signing off from you. Meet you in the Tamil version.